Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are talking about how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones. Yes, why would you want to know how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones? Well, maybe you are in such a need that you want to do it, right? So today I will show you how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So first of all, we have to just go to the Play Store, and if you just download the another WhatsApp, or even though if you download a business WhatsApp, you cannot use the same phone number on two WhatsApp account or in a different phone, right? So basically I will show you another option. Here you have to search What's Scan and just hit the enter, and basically you will see a lot of apps here, so you have to download any one of them, okay, which you found, which is good one. So let's say if I just click on this, and here basically it's what happened. If you have used a web version WhatsApp, you have to scan it, right? So just let me show you. If I just go to the WhatsApp here, right, and let me just show you. If you come to the WhatsApp and if you click on the three dots which is on top right side corner, here you can see link devices basically, and here if you just click on a link here, basically it says that you have to scan the QR code. So we will do same thing. We will scan this QR code with the another phone, right? So basically you have to open the QR code, which I will show you, which will be in this mobile application. So you have to just make sure that you install this app, and guys, you have to just open this What's Scan mobile application here, and it will take a very few seconds. So basically you have to wait, and after that you have to click on agree and continue, and just you have to click on allow, and here you have to just give the required permission. After that it will, here you can see that basically you have to watch an ad here. And guys, here you have to in one phone you have to create QR codes. So for example, if you just click on here, it will take a very few seconds. So basically here you can see that here it will generate your QR code, and basically guys, this is the QR code and you have to scan it with, let me show you. You have to open one QR code in one phone, and you have to open this scan QR code in the another phone, and you have to scan with it, and after that you will able to easily, you have to scan with this, and you can easily open the same WhatsApp in basically in your another phone, right? So this is super easy. You have to do a little bit of hard work, and that's it. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know any another way how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.